I took my Triumph bobber to bike night and left my 360 camera rolling so I could find out what people really think about my bobber, and I also found out what one person really thinks about me. Let's dive in.
That's smart, isn't it? That one there. Little bobber. It's weird where they come out, aren't they? They're fucking straight out, aren't they? A bobber. Bobber. Proper straight out. Yeah.
Very nice. Many hours.
Many hours, yeah. With the welder, yeah. Jesus.
When I tell you it's loud, I watched this fucking YouTube video. You've got to push it all the way down 2 streets down so you can start it up.
See, I don't particularly like that because little bits, but it's not my cup of tea. But what could you do to it?
Yeah, mate, you can hear it come in. Yeah. It's like proper gargle.
It's what Toby wants, our friend.
Yeah, he's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, he likes it. For some reason he wants one so he can go and get his hair cut on it. It's like,
yeah, I know.
This is what he keeps saying, I just want just to bob around on it.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
Yeah. But it's got no rear suspension. It has got some.
Yeah, but it's got on a shop. You've seen these bikes?
2 wheels, Tommy, yeah.
I just like the exhaust.
It's nice, yeah.
It sounds so good as well.
Yeah, I follow him on Instagram.
I think I've heard of Two Wheels Tommy, yeah. I've heard of him.
Yeah.
I need an exhaust like that.
That's the bobber, mate. Steve's on about it.
That exhaust. What?
It's quite nice, isn't it? Got to be, isn't it?
I bet that cost a bit to do that.
Hey?
That exhaust.
It's noisy, Jeff.
Yeah.
Must be loud.
You just come in, it wasn't as loud as what I thought it was.
Did you guys fit that?
Mental, isn't it? Must be a weld, isn't it?
That is crazy. What do they call that? Lobster bag or something, right? Yeah.
It's like something you normally see out coming out of a turbo, isn't it?
It's got something in it. Yeah, it wasn't loud when it came in, was it?
There's a cap normally underneath on it. There's no cap on it.
There's a Bolo build.
Is it?
Yeah. 12.
Yeah, I wouldn't know.
12,000, mate. I haven't seen one of these yet.
You say 1,200? Oh, really? Is this?
Last time?
Yeah.
Oh, the one custom.
ATM to look at.
And he's put his own pipes on, his own pipes, he's all the way at the back. Put them on. You've done it? Put a seat thing on so it's more sprung. Well,
That's nice. I like that.
yeah, you put a different seat on it as well, so it's sprung.
Can you buy these stock then, or what?
Well, yeah, I think so.
God, bloody hell, that's pretty fucking cool, isn't it?
And then that one goes through from this side through the other side.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty cool, that.
So, no, you know. Never seen anything like that before.
Yes.
Well, yeah, I get that.
I've seen so many videos of it that hard.
Are you in the SRC, are you?
Yes.
Okay, so you know that's
Yes.
I still like that now. I've watched so many videos of stuff which I'm never going to know. Like how to fit the grips, how to change the bits and all this. He's turned his mirrors around, but down.
Why has he done that?
I don't know what I want to.
That's a bit weird.
Well, I assume he has, isn't he? I'll have to ask him, where is he? He's up there.
What CC is it?
1100, I think. Yeah, so he's taken off the belly. He's changed the sighting.
I like what he's done though. Different, isn't it?
Bobber, yeah, no, sorry, 1200.
It's different now, isn't it? Looks, it's slow down head weight though, isn't it?
Yeah,
going down there, but going
You know?
yeah, it's
Well,
1200.
then you can't,
Hey.
then when someone says raise it up, I can't tell you
What's
that.
that?
Oh, it'll be his camera. He does film and he goes on YouTube.
Oh right, okay,
Puts a lot of stuff on YouTube.
All right, okay.
Yeah, I've definitely changed that back out in the indicators.
All right.
That's what I got on mine.
Yeah.
Phil's just fitted them. I'll tell you what, they're really bright.
That's
I
the
think
thing.
that's standard. I think it comes with it.
Yeah.
I think this bit has been swapped. Because your reflector's above it already.
Yeah,
Different back already.
It was already built in.
It's a different back end.
That's an on my god, not
It almost looks as though it needs something there.
Yes, it sounds
Do you know what I
missing
mean?
now.
Even if it's a bag or something, or a toolkit.
Yeah, then you go to a bump.
I do like it. I do
The
want
engine
one.
is the
To be
same.
honest, I want one.
The engine looks near enough the same.
I've always
Tis
wanted
nice.
one. I
Tis
just
nice.
like them, and they sound great.
Yeah, when he pulled up, it sounded nice. I didn't realise it was a stock thing. I thought he built it. I didn't realise it was a biomarker.
I don't know how he rides on his wheels though.
That's what I want on my tank. I've got black. That there.
Oh,
Checker.
A black checkered with a white.
Yeah, no, that
tank.
right in the middle.
Lost a bit of work on the pipes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sham's discoloured, isn't it? It's a quick.
It goes like
Well,
that.
Yeah.
Goes like that. It's supposed to go like that.
Is it?
They're manufactured like that too.
Yeah.
It's got a badge on there like you bought.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because I've seen him done before. My boy Jesse he's done for the race cars. But when he's done it first, he's done it. I thought, like I was saying, that's the Weld who's done it, but it's not. And then after he's been using it, well, it goes like that as well. He must be heating up on the different thickness of the on the joints.
I think they're stainless.
Yeah, that's what I say. His ones are stainless.
I know some people call it that. I do enjoy the works. No, I think that's what it is. If you sit on it, the position is nice as well. Yeah. Triumph makes nice machines. Yeah. Which one is this one? Might be 2017. Because the newer model, 2020, has bigger tank.
Right.
A tiny bit bigger. But it's already observable.
It's like pearlescent purple, I didn't notice that.
Yeah, it's
It's
very interesting.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
So only the tank.
Yeah, that's fine. I'd want to match it.
Yeah, me too.
800 quid down the drain.
Because that looks black to me.
Yeah, that's definitely black.
Yeah. Yeah.
T97 black.
Yeah, that would bug the shit out of me actually. I'd have to get that. I'd have to get that matched.
Oh, yeah.
Black tank.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah.
Depends how much money you want to throw at it.
And then the first
Have you seen these bikes?
Yeah, I'll have a copy of that.
I was saying that's probably quite a piece. Yeah, I was saying, oh, that's nice. But that's what sounded so good coming in here. That's a first. I've not seen a system like that before. Tighter one on for a scooter. Popping change a lot. I think everyone would laugh, but it would yeah, bring a smile to everyone's face. Right, it goes. So you've got one either side. So you could both go down either side. But for it to cross over like that, I like it. No, I will.
Have you got some
shots? Yeah, ties with legs and photos, yeah. Because from what I can see, it looks like TI custom exhaust or something. It's crap, I think.
Oh, I see.
Tommy Tit wheels up in YouTube.
I don't like the exhaust.
So that's the.
I just don't like those exhausts.
Really?
No.
That's the Thornton 100
I have that
exhaust.
plain black, that exhaust. I don't like the idea of all look different, it doesn't match.
Yeah, I quite like that. I quite like the way I always switched around each other.
Yeah, it's true.
I know what you're saying.
If it's painted black,
He done it
I
himself.
don't mind the shape. It's the colours
like the
and
garden.
how it looks as though it's like just been
That's a Thornton 100 radiator guard as well.
chucked on there.
They bought like that, haven't
Yeah. You pay a lot of money just to Thornton 100.
I wonder how long it takes for one of
Yeah, Thornton 100.
they? Oh, is that what they
Yeah,
bought?
yeah.
Yeah.
You see how small the bits are? Yours?
No. No, it's a bloke on YouTube called Tommy Tit wheels.
So the one that normally is 10
Yeah, Tommy Tit, I don't think.
Oh, smaller number.
Okay.
I know what he looks like.
One less friend. I'd like one, but not that one.
So, but they're all individually hand welded.
I would have thought I'd go for China for that.
I would.
I'm going to get one. There's one wheel.
No, that's a standard ball kit.
Yeah, that's a bit convoluted.
Yeah. I'd probably didn't go for that.
So you start with 600.
Probably like, what, 600 to 900, somewhere in between there.
That sounds interesting.
Balance probably.
So it's the same on the other side?
Yeah, it's got, yeah, it comes from there.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah.
It's, the last one did look like it was wrong. It's probably good though.
It's got to be an afternoon. Oh, you got You have to thread them together before you fit it. Twist them in.
How many get?
See, that's nice little bobber.
Yeah,
That
them
little frame.
pipes.
Yeah,
Pretty
I
tricky,
spoke to
though.
him when we were doing the run with the wolves, the white wolves,
Mm.
and it's about 800 quid, and you have to wait 6 or 7 weeks for it,
For what?
for the pipes.
Really?
And this one guy
800
just,
quid for
yeah,
pipes?
this one guy just does the 2-into-1 mod,
Oh,
and he's got a little jig, and there's something like 100 pie cuts, something like that. Again,
that is trick. What's that sound like? Fucking loud. Oh, is it?
Yeah, you expect it to sound like, but it just doesn't roar. That's the thing, see, the Harleys have got that deep-throated bang,
Yeah.
and then you get sports bikes that got that roar, that kind of like terrifying, you know it's going to go like fucking stink. and that's kind of in the middle there. But again, it looks great. I love this shape on the rear fender. I think that's really fucking cool. I'm not sure I like the sissy bar too much. It'd be nice without it, but I don't know where the support come from. Do you know what I mean? The tail can be targeted, but it's a nice looking swing arm, lovely bit of suspension. It's a great looking bike. You know what I mean?
What's that?
That's what.
There.
It's a camera. GoPro.
Oh, right.
Well, that was quite eye-opening, wasn't it? Thank you very much for all of your opinions. Yeah, most of them good. A lot of people seem to focus on my Thornton 100 twisted exhaust pipe, and rightly so. It is a bit of a showpiece, I guess. There was quite a lot of inaccuracies in the stuff people were saying, so I don't know where that all came from. But yeah, it's good to hear that generally there was posy vibes with regards to my Triumph bobber. Yeah, Tommy Tit in the house, I guess. Don't know where that came from or what that was all about, but I can't be angry. I stuck my camera on the bike and I sort of welcomed people's opinions. And if that is the guy's opinion, can't do much about that. So anyway, if you are watching Mr. Tommy Tit, then do get in touch and I'll send you a Tommy Tit t-shirt. How about that? Anyway, I thought that was quite an interesting experiment, to be honest with you. If you'd like to see another one somewhere else, I won't do another one on the Isle of Wight because I've done that now. But who knows, maybe I'll pop to another bike night or something like that and set up with a better microphone, because that was an absolute nuisance, to be honest with you. It picked up the sound from all directions and yeah, it was quite confusing at times, and it took me literally hours to do all those subtitles because my editing software will actually do subtitles automatically, but it needs clear sound to do it, and there was none of that. So I had to do it all by hand in Photoshop, and it took an age. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and like I say, if you'd like to see another one, leave a comment below and let me know. But don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Catch you later.
Two wheels, Tommy riding free. Thanks for coming along.